guys, and welcome back to another video. So today, this is going to be my second time trying to downgrade something like Samsung J7 Pro. So I think for this video I am going to edit on Adobe Premiere Rush, as my school give for us for free to use it, so I can use the thing, so that I can use the video editing tool, the Premiere Rush, to edit my videos. So yeah, so we are going to try to downgrade with this Samsung J7 Pro to either Android 8 or Android 7 or Android 7, either Android 8 or Android 7. So why not? We can try. Before we can do that, we're gonna try to run a benchmark. So we're gonna run a benchmark while it is plugged in. So yeah, and let's see. It is what is the result? Is it the iOS? Sorry, not iOS. Is it the Android version that make the device slow, or anything that do anything that it did something on this phone? So because usually Apple, right, they asking to us users to update their iPhones and iPad, including iPhones, iPads, etc. But unfortunately, if you update your phone, it will make your device slower, and even also it can drain your battery, and that is why Apple got sued for slowing down iPhones. So the website we are using to downgrade is this website, the free mobile firmware, which don't worry, I will put in the link in the video description, so don't worry about that. So yeah, before starting the fetching process, blah blah blah. So I'm gonna use this tutorial only with Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro for J730GM model. So this is this particular phone is a J7 Pro GM. I think it's GMDS. I think it's GMDS. Sorry, I think it's GM, not General Motors. So for J730GM, this particular phone has a different models for different regions. So, and do not use this tutorial for other different models. Yes, I agree, because there is sometimes the firmware is not supported on that particular phone if you install it on different firmware which belong to, example, I grabbed the firmware from a Samsung Galaxy Note 3. Yeah, it will break the phone, or sort of. So download Smart Switch, Samsung Smart Switch here. Samsung Smart Switch in order to get the latest Samsung drivers. Yeah, and a bunch of wordy words here, and here's the place we can download our firmware. So we need to wait for the thing to pop up. So download latest old link. I think I have the old link. Yeah, I just tried. I think I have, but I forgot. I think it's older version, sort of. Cause I didn't check the what version it is, and get it. I'm gonna fast forward. Okay, Android Pie. Oh, my hands are pain. This is painful. Okay, Android 7. How to install the latest? Yeah, actually, there's an instruction there. So, yeah. Oh god, there's a lot. So, why not I just go to the why not just choose Singapore, Singtel, and well, I'm going to pause this video and start to do the downgrade on this iPhone. So hope for the best. Okay, so my benchmark is finished. Finished doing the thing. So here's the score. 121 for single core score and 453 for multi core score. So it uses this phone uses Samsung own processor, the Exynos 7870 Octa. I think the some S series. I think the S something S8 or something. The latest S something, right? The North American version, it uses the Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. I don't know the S21, the North American version, they use the Qualcomm Snapdragon's 8088. So we find the firmware. So I'm going to choose. So I'm going to use to match the version what is used. So to be able to get this, I press pound #1234 then hashtag. It will give you this. So if you didn't catch what I'm saying, I will put the text inside. So here it is, the AP thing. I really do not know what the heck that is. So the J730GM. Oh, sorry. J730GM. So there's so we match the GM there. Here it is. The DXU. Yup, all correct. So 8.17. Why not we try 7? I tried this August 28th. And no. Oops, he needs the stupid login. Well, unfortunately, he does need to use the stupid login. So we're gonna skip about where I need to log in and shit and download this firmware and the latest old links thing, and I'm gonna slowly read the process on how to do that. So yeah, so try to downgrade the Samsung, right? Gives me this message. This message is the bootloader check failed, and it failed to do the process. So I'm gonna try this video. If you want this video, link this in the video description. So if you want to try, so try it at your own risk. If you have issues on it, that's your problem. So yeah. So the next day here, so my file yesterday, right? It takes from yesterday to today and around 4 o'clock to download this one file. This is some kind 1 gigabyte file, and yeah, it's a 1 gigabyte file, and it is. And because why it takes slow, it is slow because I have a crappy network. So it's time to try to. I'm gonna follow the instructions on this website and try to downgrade this Samsung J7 Pro. So yeah. Okay, so it failed again because as you can see it failed. So this is I use the Oatlin 3, the version 3.1 3.12, while the other one I use the 13.14.1. So I tried using from here. Fortunately it did not work. So actually, and in conclusion, right, since I can't even downgrade, but you can install a custom operating system, but I really don't want to do that. Yeah, I don't want to install the custom operating system. Yeah, because I really don't want like unnecessary stuff inside, and I want like pure Samsung UI on Android 7 or Android 8 instead of Android 9. And also I didn't upgrade to, I think this one has Android 10, right? So I don't think so, right? I don't think Samsung has released Android 10 for J7 Pro. I don't think it supports Android 11. I don't think they support it. Yeah, but I'm not gonna do this such complicated crap. I don't want updating, or else you're gonna bog down this phone because it uses Samsung own Exynos chip, and yeah, and I heard that their Exynos chips are not as good as the Snapdragon. So yeah, and also secondly, the reason why I can't even downgrade, I found one website from a Samsung forum, and they want to plan some user called Rev. This user, I apologize, I can't pronounce even rate. So the user wanted to downgrade his A21s from Android 11 to 10, and Rajesh Kumar, as he says, Samsung doesn't allow us to downgrade to older versions. So in conclusion, you can't downgrade to older versions unless you unlock the bootloader. As I have unlocked the bootloader, since I unlock the bootloader and it gives me this problem, let me just focus a bit. The SW rev check fail bootloader device 7 binary 1. It gives me the problems. This gives an error message, And focus, iPhone focus, please. Okay, nice. So as Samsung doesn't allows to downgrade bootloader version, and you need if you find same bootloader version of OS, there's some changes. So if I got a bootloader version of the OS, it has some changes. And although Samsung allows allow bootloader and downgrade at the same time, but because they will allow you to downgrade your Samsung device because it is risky, and you need to inquire about this at a nearby service center, which some people are trying to avoid too, because see, if you have any problem with the unexpected amount of downgrade, it's aware it's about all risks. So it's your own risk, but in conclusion, you can't downgrade because of the bootloader issue. And unless if I can install a custom ROM or the custom operating system already, but I really do not want to. So this is the part 2 of this video on downgrading this Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro. The model number, I think the model number is the J730GM /DS. So for this video, I'm going to edit like without cutting any parts of it, like cut all of the clips and all that kind of stuff because I'm too lazy. And so for the features, all the links that I feature, I will put in the link in the video description so that you can easily find them. So here you go. Here's how you downgrade your J7 Pro. So if anyone wanted to check out how to do a downgrade of your Samsung device, this is not a tutorial. I will say again, this is not a tutorial on how you downgrade. Is be in the process checking downgrading your downgrading my Samsung device J7 Pro. So since I can't even downgrade, so unless if I can install a custom ROM or custom operating system, so it is a shame that you can't install any older version of the older version of the older version of OS, like Android 7 or Android 8. Similar to Apple, Apple will not allow you to downgrade to older versions unless if you can jailbreak. So there you go. So if you like this video, definitely consider subscribing, and I see you guys next time if I'm free.